Dear friends, welcome to my video. In this video, I'll show you how to insert a splash screen at the start of your Android app. So let's begin. I'll keep a very simple layout as usual. So I'll just name this application as a splash screen app just to demonstrate and let the ID load up. So once this gets loaded, I won't do much in Java and other things. Quickly, I'll just do few things in the layout. One is I'll just set the background of the my main layout. You can set anything. I mean, I'll just set a simple white color here, white background, and so that because when we switch between from my splash screen to the main layout, the white background comes up. Now, apart from that, in the XML file, okay, before we do some, anything in our manifest file, we will have to create a style in our styles.xml file. So here we will create a new style for our splash screen. We can name it anything. I'll name it probably a splash screen theme. And then for the parent, we can probably keep the same what is above in the dark action bar. Control C. And then we will have to set an item which is the background, the Windows background. So we will go for Android.Windows. I think we'll go for this option, and here we'll set it the background for the actual splash screen which will be visible. So before starting this video, I already created my small JPG file with my app. Just I want to demonstrate that you can put any logo here of your app or something like that, and this will be treated as a splash screen. So I'll copy paste this file in my drawable folder here, and you can just open this folder by going to show in Explorer, this option, and here inside this I'll copy paste that file. So I pasted the file here, and if you go here and if you expand this, you should be now able to see that splash screen.jpg over here, and we will be using this drawable, the first option. So this becomes my splash screen theme, and we will be using this. So before we get into Java code in manifest file, what we will have to do is quickly is over here we can set our splash screen, or we can set our theme here, and probably first Android. I'll just quickly set the label first, which will be app name, and then I'll set the theme here, and that theme will be nothing but at the style splash screen. Yeah, this is the one which we created just now. If I go back and show you, so this is what it prompted anyway. So this is what we will use here, and that's all. And I think in Java code, just before this super on create, what we can do is we can set our theme here r dot a style dot splash screen. Perfect. So that's all. Now we can I think run this in an emulator, and we should be able to see a splash screen coming in the start just before the launch of this app. So if you saw, just for a brief moment, I'll just close this. I don't need it anymore. Just for a brief moment before the main layout was loaded, that a splash screen window came up. Of course, it depends upon how fast your app or how good your phone is. If it's pretty good and it doesn't take much time to load the app, it will be just for a very few moments. But if it's doing lots of operations during loading, then it will be for longer, and that splash screen will come up. So that's all I wanted to show you. That is pretty easy and simple. The only thing you have to take care is you have to take care in your first you have to create your style with that splash screen, and then you have to use that style in your manifest file to define the theme, and then use that theme in your main activity Java just before the loading of the main method, onCreate method of your main activity. So that's all. I hope this video is useful to you. If you have any questions or suggestions, then please put in the comment section. And if you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.